Welcome to the project demonstration of PRIVRATNIK. So the main application of this project is, it will follow the COVID protocols. So whenever this one is going to be the room, and whenever the person is want to enter into this room, then the system will initially check the temperature with the help of this IR sensor, and the temperature is normal. Then the sanitizer will be switched on. So this is going to be the pre-sanitization before entering into the room, and after that, so the system will open the door, and inside this there is one more IR sensor to count the in counts. So once the persons are trying to enter into this room, so then the count is going to be the reaches 5, and then coming to the exit also, when the person is trying to exit, inside IR will detect that person presence, and then the door will be opens. After coming to this near IR sensor, entrance IR sensor, then the system will switch on the sanitization for around 3 seconds, and then after, when he exit from this IR sensor, then door closes automatically. When the person count inside this room is 0, then after some time the room will be sanitized. So with the help of this fog mist maker as well as UV light for certain time. So this indication of post hall empty, then the system will sanitization, and also before entering the person inside this room also, we are going to sanitize the particular person. So that is going to be the fully sanitization before entering and after entering, and after exit from the hall also we are going to sanitize that with the help of fog sprayer as well as UV light. So here the main components are MLX90614 sensor and IR sensor 1 for entrance and IR sensor 2 for exit we placed inside this module. So this is the IR sensor exit purpose. And the next two mist makers, the fog mist makers, are attached to the Arduino Uno board through the electromagnetic relays. So here we are making use of electromagnetic relays. So these two electromagnetic relays are used to control the two mist makers, and one more electromagnetic relay to control the UV lighting, and also L293D motor driver to control the direction of this gauge, and that will be attached to this DC motor, and the so-called status continuously displayed on the LCD screen. So in the initial scanning of the person, whenever the person temperature is above 100.8 Fahrenheit, then the system will on the buzzer. So here we attach the buzzer. So coming to the interfacing connections, we have interfaced the MLX90614 sensor at A4 A5, and these two mist makers relays at 10 11 and 12th pin relay is attached to the UV light, and two IR sensors at interfaced A0 A1, that is 14th and 15th GPIO pins, and L293D motor driver interface at 8 and 9 pins. So the whole system get power supply from the 230 volts input, and that was given to the transformer. Transformer will step down the 230 volts AC to 12 volts AC, and that is input to this regulated power supply board. So it will take 12 volts AC input, and there we can see 4 diodes. The diodes purpose is convert AC to DC. So we will get pulsating DC, and with the help of this capacitor, so this it will act as a smoothing purpose, and then the pulses will be removed, so they will get 12 volts. And after that there is one more 7805 regulator. So this purpose is to provide the 5 volts constant power supply, which is sufficient to the whole kit to run. So let us see the demonstration. Right. So when we switch on the kit, then there is a welcome message on the LCD screen, and it start displaying welcome like temperature sensor and all. Right. So now the in count is 0. So in count is 0. So when the person is trying to enter, so when he stands by here, so temperature is scanned, temperature is okay, and after some time the mist maker got switched on. Right. So right, after successful sanitization, the door opens. So when I enter here, so then automatically it closes. So if the person didn't enter also, then the count will not increment, but the door closes after 5 seconds. So now the count is 1. So now let us see, the person want to exit. So let us see, the count is 1 and the person trying to exit, and he has to stand here So it will sanitize. So after he exit, then only it will display thank you, and after some time, so room is sanitization. Now the fog will be on for around some seconds, and after that UV light will get switched on, and after that, right. So if you want to make the count total 0, you need to restart the system. So till that, it will inform to the person about the how many persons till now entered. So again, so in count 1. So like that, same we can go with the in count 2. So and keep on incrementing the count. So let us go with the exit. So then the person right, close. Right.